This video covers example 6 from section 4.6, completing the square. This particular example covers how to write in Vertex form. So we're starting in standard form. Notice it is y equals, and this would be just like completing the square when your y was 0. Okay, you can do it the same way you did completing the square from the last example, where you can add the 6 to the other side and then add something to both sides. But there's another way to do it. This other way would be, since the 6 does not complete the square, then you need to move it over. So instead of shipping it off to the other side of the equation, we're going to keep it off to the right. Notice I put a blank in to complete the square, and what I add to one side, I must also subtract from the same side. Next, I need to find out what this perfect square trinomial would be. So I take my b term, divide it by 2, and square it, and that gives me 4. What I add, I must subtract. Now I factor this perfect square trinomial, and that would be x plus 2 quantity squared, and then it would be a minus 10. This is the Vertex form. Please do check 6 now. Check 6 answer is y equals, parenthesis, x plus 3 halves, quantity squared, minus 33 over 4. You can also have the decimal equivalents. The vertex would be negative 3 halves, comma, negative 33 over 4, and your y-intercept would be 0, negative 6.